If your Samsung phone's charging port has started to show problem after UI 8 update and says the charging port is wet even though it is not, then let us see what to do. Now the first thing is, sometimes the warning message might be a faulty one. So just restart your phone and check if the same message appears when you try to charge your phone. Now the other thing is, if you are charging your room in a humid environment like in a bathroom, then charge your phone in a normal room and check if the message appears again or not. Now the next thing is, even though there is no water in the charging port, but what you do is use a small needle or a toothpick and clean your USB-C charging port and check if there is any dirt that is accumulated inside the charging port. The other thing that we will do is we will have to enable USB debugging and check if this fixed the issue or not. Now for that one, you have to enable developer options in your phone. So for that one, we have to go to settings here, and then we will go to the option about phone, go to software information, and let's tap on this build number for 7 or 8 times so that developer options will be enabled. You have to enter the passcode of your phone and then OK. So once you have enabled developer option, you will go back to the settings, and at the end you will find this option, developer options. Open it and we will look for USB debugging and enable this option and OK. So this will reset some of the settings for your USB. Check if this will fix the issue or not. Now the other thing that we will do is, if this is caused by a software glitch, then try to check if there is a patch available to fix the issue. So again, go to settings, go to this option software update, and go to download and install and check if there is any update available. So if there is an update available, update your phone and check if this will fix the issue. The other thing we will do is we will wipe out cache partition in our phone, and for that one, what you have to do is you have to at first connect your phone to a computer by using a USB-C cable. Now let me switch off my phone at first. I will connect my phone to USB-C cable and connect it to a computer. Now what I will do is I will press the volume up button and the power button at the same time, and I will wait until the recovery mode is activated, like this one. Now there is an option here, wipe cache partition. I will press volume down button to select the option, and in order to use this option I will press this power button. Now I have to press this volume down button to select yes, and then press this power button in order to wipe the cache partition. After that, reboot system now is automatically selected. I will press this power button and the phone will be restarted. Now when you wipe out the cache partition, no file will be deleted. Now still if the error continues, the last step for you will be to reset your phone to factory default. But before that one, use another USB-C cable and check if the error continues or not. If the error continues, so what we will do is we will at first back up our phone. So go to settings here, and we will go to this general management, go to reset, and you have the option to back up your phone either to Gmail or Samsung account, or else you can back up your phone to USB also. So whichever is easy for you, back up the phone, and then what you do, go to this option factory data reset, and then select this option reset. So once you do it, all of the applications will be deleted, your phone will revert back to the factory default, and later on you can restore your phone. By doing this also, if nothing fixes the issue, then there might be a problem with the moisture detector sensor in your phone. In that case, you have to take your phone to a technician.